to another video on the ST. I'm so excited. Basically, just received in the post another treat from the postman has arrived. What got me excited straight away is seeing this Paintmodz. Now, if you don't know of Paintmodz, definitely go over and check out their Facebook link. I'll put a link to Paintmodz in the description. Their work is fantastic. They're actually quite well known with the Ford group. I've actually used them in the past when I had my very first Mark 6 Fiesta ST, as I mentioned in my very first video. He did all the kind of plastics. The work is top notch, so I'm so excited to receive this. This is just a little bit of a sort of mod to improve the look of the engine bay. As you've seen, I've been doing little bits and bobs on the engine bay. Eventually I would like this to be a bit of a show car. There's loads more work to be done, and actually you can probably see down on the floor. There's something going on down there, but I'm not really going to show too much because it might take a little while to do that project, and especially with the bad weather, because I need to do some spraying outside, but the weather's bad. I feel like I've already talked a bit too much, so let's have a little look what's in the box from Paintmodz and get them fitted. So, first part. Seriously, this is more exciting than any birthday or Christmas for me. Anyone who's into their cars, I think you know exactly what I mean. When you receive nice, shiny new things in the post, you're just so excited. So this is the first one, and that looks ace. Okay, so it's cold, so there's a bit of, I'm just gonna give it a quick little buff with the microfiber just to get rid of all the mist that's on it, because the finish on Paintmodz stuff is absolutely top notch. I don't know how well that comes across on camera, on the GoPro. Actually, yeah, it does. Look at that finish. It is piano black. There's no orange peel whatsoever. It is absolutely superb. So that is a little fuse cover to go on the back of the battery. And to accompany this, there is, here we go. Now actually, I don't know if I'll be able to show you them properly, but basically inside I've got some gold decals because, as you know, if you've been following the channel, that's the theme of my engine bay and the whole car is black and gold. So I'm going to be putting the little symbol onto the top of that one. Alright, let's see what else we've got. And here is this second part. Again, I'll give this a quick wipe with the microfiber just to get rid of that kind of cold mist that's gone on it. But oh my god, look how good that is. Again, look at that finish. You just can't fault Paintmodz work. Anyone that has used them, especially in this Ford community, I'm sure you have, it is fantastic. So that is to go on the power steering reservoir. So I'm going to be having my gold, and I've just recently sprayed, I'll show you. So I just recently sprayed another gold part, so that'll be going with the black. Again, I think the kind of gold with the black should look really smart. Then onto the last piece. Yes, that is so nice. Now, actually, this has got a protective film on it, so I will actually fit that with the protective film before I look to take that off. But basically, it's the coolant tank, and then we've got, to adhere it to the current one, we've got some 3M, I'm guessing double-sided sticky pads. So without further ado, let's get these fitted to the engine bay. Man, that makes such a difference. So got them fitted, really sort of easy to fit really. Absolutely, look at that. Absolutely love the look of the engine bay, how it's coming along. It's kind of not really massively far off where I'd like to be once I got the strut brace in there, and this has had its little DIY that I'm going to be doing. I think it's massively improved. That is looking so smart. How cool is that with the little fuse icon? What I would like to do is buy a gloss black battery cover to go underneath the brace that I painted, and I can use the Paintmodz other little decal for the battery icon, which I could probably put like here or here. Or the other option is I spray paint this gold or black, maybe gloss black, and I could put the icon on there. I could probably do either one. But I mean, seriously, look at the finish. You cannot not like the look of these Paintmodz additions to the car. They are absolutely superb. The finish is just top notch, 10 out of 10. Can't really fault them in any way, shape or form. If anything, it's just making me think I just want to spend even more money and buy even more parts now for the engine bay. But they honestly, what a difference, because you had that kind of, you know, clear plastic, which you can just see underneath there, and obviously the original look, can't really see it that well, but you know, that kind of, this kind of plastic look, which just stood out so much in these two corners. So by having that black, really smartens the engine bay up, and obviously it gives a much nicer finish with it being in that really high gloss finish, that piano black a lot of people call it. There's just no sort of orange peel or anything. They are perfect. So absolutely loving this. No doubt I'm going to take some cool pictures for my Instagram, which, if you're new to the channel, I have an Instagram as well, which is drive_with_Andy. So go check that out, because I always put some pictures on before I put the videos on. You can get like a sneak peek of what I'm doing. But yeah, what do you reckon? I think the engine bay is coming along quite nicely with the black and gold theme that I'm doing. The only thing that's really standing out now is this. So as I mentioned, I'm not sure if to paint that gloss black, or I'm not sure if to paint that gold. I'm not too sure yet. I don't know what to do. I know a lot of paint mods do a hell of a lot more for the newer Fords, but he does still have some stuff here for the Mark 6s and the Mark 6 ST150s like mine, because you can also buy like different caps, but I actually wanted to sort of spray paint mine gold, but you know, he can do various ones, and also you can get them with the icons on as well, which looks really smart, like tying in with this look. You know, if I hadn't done them, maybe in the future it is something I'll buy, black or gold with the contrasting one. The only thing I have got left is this, but I don't actually mind it massively. But I am thinking I might buy one from Paintmodz now. After seeing the quality of these, I might buy it looking them. Right, I think I'll probably leave the video there now. Big shout out to Paintmodz on this. As I've mentioned numerous times, I'll put a link in the description, so if you are looking to buy a few of these parts, and even if you're not, go over there. No doubt you'll get tempted to go and buy some stuff. So as always, thanks everyone for watching. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for new videos. Click the little bell icon to keep up to date with all future videos as well. And check out my Instagram as well, as I mentioned before. Yeah, thanks all for watching, and see you in another video. Bye.